At the ongoing 2022 FIFA World Cup, more than 3,000 Chinese-designed buses are serving on the streets of Qatar, including 888 pure electric vehicles that offer shuttle services. This is the first time that a major international sports event has used Chinese eco-friendly buses on a large scale. Higer Bus Company Limited is one of the shuttle bus providers.
此次为世界杯提供保驾护航的部分车辆为海格与当地合作伙伴在当地工厂完成。本地化不仅促进了当地的就业，提高了当地汽车工业生产水平，也帮助中国企业更好地融入当地市场，提升中国客车品牌的国际影响力。
The high-quality buses have won recognition from their users in Qatar.
Higer bus is very good, automatic and good condition, everything, not complaint, a very good job.
It's pretty nice, pretty comfortable. We like it, taking us to the stadium, pretty safe, we like